Yo, what is going on YouTube? It is your boy Jace. I don't know, sneaker life something is whatever. But today we got the OVO 8s, Jordan OVO 8s. They just released on February 16th. It's a little late, but that's totally fine. So let's get into this video. It was so good. Alright, you can barely see my face, but we're gonna cut this box open. I see him. It's a big box. Okay. Oh wow. I can't open it. Okay, so got the shoes. See, it's Jordan 8s by the box. So we have this. This is what it is. Jordan size 11s. Jordan OVOs. Back of the box looks like nothing too much. It's a little bent up. It's fine. So we have all of our information. Let me take this out. Yep. It's just so I did buy them on StockX. It's a little StockX. Say snap a picture. I know it's probably out of focus, but snap a picture. Do this and this and that, man. And then I'll take you guys. They look really close. You can see 23 and then the OVO sign. Now these are dead stock. Everything is real. And bam. Yeah. I told you that.
Oh, I thought it's like 200 was a lot.
Verified. Boom. There's the front. Here's the front right there. 23. Here's the side of the shoe. Here's the back. And look at that. Right there's a little OVO sign. Right there. My camera is not focusing. Just looking in the inside tag. Here's the bottom of the shoe. That's really cool. I didn't know that. There you go. And that is Jordan OVO 8s. I'm not gonna do an on foot review. Maybe later. I might do like a lookbook, but I'm not gonna wear them. I don't want to put them on or anything. So yeah. Thank you guys for watching. When you what? Great sneaker life, something, whatever I'm gonna call myself. Let's get a shoe, man. I can just see you guys going like, hey, you have another shoe. Yeah, I got it right here, bud. So, yep. Boy, I have to drink and I'm out. Peace.